Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are fit and healthy. Today I'm talking about how to make long sentence. Everyone want to make long sentence. When anyone asks you some question, you just answer using yes, no, this type of word. But everyone try to make long sentence. That's why today's video I'll discuss briefly about how to make long sentences. Normally we know the structure, sentence structure, subject, verb plus object. Sometimes we're using subject, verb, object and extension. Yes, extension important. When we extend long using lots of words, our sentence make long. That's why we're just using this structure right now. Subject, verb plus object plus MPT. MPT means manner, place, time. We must mention manner, place and time, then plus reason, plus relative clause, and finally we add summary. I continue studying English at the library every evening because I want to be a fluent speaker, which one very important in my life. If I achieve a fluent speaker tag, that time I feel confident and I feel proud for my English level. I can add more. When I was a child, I can't speak English. But day by day, I'm practicing English and I'm learning English, then I'll be a good speaker. Still, I am practicing English, so I am increasing myself day by day. Sound good, right? So I'm just using this structure. Subject, verb, object, then MPT means manner, place, time, then reason, then add relative clause, and finally we add short or one line summary. Yes, of course, summary important because everyone want to learn English or want to play cricket, football, or want to make video, everything we just want. So summary, we just add what's the key finding of learning any app or any application. Okay, I just share one thing. If you want to make consistency with practice English, you must practice with one app. Like we have Duolingo. If you are practicing Duolingo every day, you have a consistency day. If you practice one day, you have 1 day's consistency. If you have practicing 2 or many days, you have this type or this day's consistency. Consistency important. If you are practicing day by day, you will increasing your level best. That's all for today. Thank you so much.